The new WordPress for Toastmasters agenda editor is based on the new editor for WordPress, codenamed Gutenberg, which is going to become standard with WordPress 5.0, which is coming out very soon. I've actually turned it on a little bit early on the toastmos.org sites. And we're taking advantage of that to make the agenda editor more flexible. In order to understand what we're doing here, you have to understand a little bit about this new basic editor. The idea is that Gutenberg is organized around blocks of content. So by default, when you come in and type, you still get just a regular paragraph. But even if I started to add bullets, I just did an asterisk at the beginning of the line and it figured out that this must be a bullet list. I can say the steps are convert your old agendas and if I want this to be a numbered list instead of a bullet list, I have controls here that are specific to lists. If I go beyond that and I want to include an image, image is one of these special types. So what I did there was I clicked this little plus button in the margin. Also appears up here at the top of the screen. The plus gives me my options. If I don't see image right away, I could search for it, and I'll become relevant later. And we can see we also have galleries of images and cover images, different things that we can add here. But here we're just adding a regular image and add an image of that prompt that you would see on your dashboard to convert when the WordPress editor is active and available. Okay. And notice if you see these little thumbnails here, these show the most recent special content types that I've used. The list, the image, and it looks like I embedded an event in a post as well. We also, another one that you might find useful from time to time is file. So if you have a file you want people to download, such as a PDF, search for file, and what can I find? Oh, here I'm actually going to upload a spreadsheet, and it will give us a default name based on the file name. Which I can customize. If we go out and view this right now, we'll see our numbered list, our image, and our download prompt with a little button here. So in the Toastmasters context, you'll see a prompt on your dashboard saying something about you need to convert your old meeting templates to be displayed properly in the new WordPress editor with the Convert Now link. So if we click that, this Toastmasters meeting agenda has now been updated. More details about the new editor to follow in the next video.